Here is how you can earn free PayPal money. The first method that I want to share with you today is to publish reviews online of various products. Check this out. Every day, millions of people get onto Google and start looking for reviews of the products that they're about to buy. For example, if I start typing in best, let's say wireless, you can see all of these suggestions that Google is now bringing up for me. Best wireless earbuds, best wireless headphones, gaming headsets, earphones, etc. These are real things that people enter into Google every single day before they make a purchase online. For example, if they're looking to buy best wireless headphones, they will type this in, best wireless headphones, into Google, and then they will review the information that they see. They'll take a look at some of these websites. For example, they might open up this website here, Tom's Guide. And as they are reading this article on tomsguide.com, you will see that there is information about each of these wireless headphones, but also what is here is what's called an affiliate link. So where it says today's best deal, if someone is interested in these headphones, they can click any of these links, view at Amazon, view at Sony Australia, or view at JB Hi-Fi. Now, each of these links is an affiliate link, and that affiliate link means that the purchase will be tracked, and the owner of this website, tomsguide.com, is going to make a commission for every purchase that he refers to Amazon. For example, if I click view at Amazon right now, then this will open up amazon.com through a specially encoded link. And if I now buy these headphones for $548, then the owner of this website is going to make money. And as you can imagine, all of the owners of all of these websites are getting a ton of traffic, and they're referring a ton of sales every single day to Amazon and to various other affiliate platforms. This is called affiliate marketing, and I do this on a number of different platforms. For example, one of the websites that I do this on is this one called warriorplus.com, where I promote digital products. You can see actually even right now, I've got a current balance of $125. So I can withdraw this right now to my PayPal account, $125.77 to my PayPal account. You can do this sort of affiliate marketing, publishing reviews of various products online in a variety of different niches. Another great niche is hosting reviews. For example, if we look at WPS Hosting, they have an affiliate program, and that affiliate program actually pays, you can see right here, they pay between $70 and $100, that's US dollars, per sale that you refer. So the commissions are really huge. And I'm going to give you a keyword that you can implement right now to promote this WPX hosting affiliate program. And take a look at this. WPX hosting review right now has a keyword difficulty of just 4. It means that it's extremely easy to rank for this. There is a decent volume, 300 searches per month, which is actually quite a high volume, and there is almost no competition. So you can publish this review, you can rank your review, and you can start getting sales. And as you saw, sales do pay really well, between $70 and $100 per sale. I have several videos on my channel that will show you start to finish how to implement this method, how to publish these reviews, how to find the keywords. So if you type in Caffeinated blogger, how to start affiliate marketing into YouTube search, you'll find all of those videos. And I'm going to also put a link here in the corner, whichever corner it is, to the video that you should watch if you'd like to learn more about this method and start doing it for yourself. One more way to make free PayPal money is to invite other people to PayPal. This is probably one of the easiest ways to earn free PayPal money in 2022. PayPal will actually pay you up to $100 for referring your friends to PayPal if they don't currently have a PayPal account. Look at this. Share the joy of shopping with PayPal and earn up to $100. Here is how this works. You send them the invite. Once they join using your invite, and once they spend at least $5 on PayPal, you will get paid $10 for each of the friends. See, it says we'll send you both $10. So your friend will get $10 and you will get $10. As long as you invite them, they join via your link, and then they spend $5 via PayPal. So if you know anyone who hasn't got a PayPal account yet, then you can invite them to sign up for a PayPal account using your link. Just click here, invite your friend, send them the link, and once they spend $5, you're gonna get $10 in your PayPal account, and they will get $10 in their PayPal account as well. To find this option to invite a friend for your country, Google PayPal invite friends and then put in your country. For example, if you're in the UK, just put in UK, and that should bring up the most appropriate option for you. Here in the UK, you can earn £10 for each of 5 friends maximum. So there will be different conditions for each of the countries, but this is how you can find this option. Next method to make free PayPal money is swagbucks.com. So head over to swagbucks.com and you can join for free, enter your email address, your password, confirm your password, and click sign up now. You can make money and get paid into your PayPal account for free using swagbucks.com system. It's one of the most reliable ways to make free PayPal money, and you can get free gift cards and cash for things that you already do online every day. So you earn points and then you can get free gift cards, and you can see that you can also get cash back from PayPal, so it pays directly into PayPal as well. And up until now, they've paid out $722 million in rewards for their members. Swagbucks is also available in a ton of different countries: the United States, Ireland, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, India as well. I know that a lot of you guys who are watching are from India, Canada, Spain, Portugal, and the United Kingdom. The actual offers that are going to be appropriate to you will depend on which region, what country you are joining from. So once you fill out all the information, you will see the exact things that are available to you. But it varies, and there will be some online surveys. You will also have some offers to watch videos, searching the web using the Yahoo search engine. You can also make money by playing games. So depending on your country, there are various ways that are going to be available to you. Another super cool way to make free PayPal money is a company called TGM Panel. They're present in a ton of different countries. I'm on the TGM Panel Australia website. But if you just Google TGM Panel, the most appropriate website for your country will come up. So here, when I get onto the Australian website, you can see there is a link to join our panel. And this website is mostly for online surveys. So these are paid surveys. Once you filled out a survey, you will be able to earn various rewards. You will get paid into your PayPal account for those rewards. And they're available in a ton of different countries as well. See where it says other countries? Here are all the different countries: Australia, United Kingdom, India, Pakistan, basically available worldwide, and you can make PayPal money this way by just filling out the surveys, no matter which country you're in. Next method is to be a tutor with Cambly. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't need any qualifications. You can teach people all around the world English online. So if your level of English is good, you would say that you are either a native or a very, very fluent English speaker, then you can become a tutor on Cambly and you can get paid to chat with people from all over the world. You don't need any preparation. You can basically be their conversation buddy, and people from all around the world actually want to learn English and they want to practice English, and you're going to be their sort of person with whom they can just get online and they can chat, and you can give them some feedback and have a conversation with them. If this sounds interesting, just go to Cambly, Google for Cambly, and once you're on the main Cambly website, then at the very bottom you can click Become a Tutor, this option over here, and sign up and read up all of the information. Now, the cool thing about Cambly is that, of course, as per the topic of this video, they pay via PayPal, right? So you can see here, get paid via PayPal every Monday. And you can make pretty decent money. You can make about $10 per hour just chatting to others online with Cambly. So if this sounds interesting, you should definitely join, because they're always looking for tutors. I've made a full video on this topic before, so if this sounds interesting, then look for this video on my channel, or just click this link that I'm gonna drop in the description and learn more about how you can make money, how to become a tutor, how to fill out your application form to make sure that you get accepted. One more way to make free PayPal cash is to take paid surveys with PrizeRebel. So head over to PrizeRebel.com, you'll see a sign up form like this, get free PayPal cash and gift cards from PayPal, Maya, Amazon, JB Hi-Fi. The offers that you will see here, they will be specific to the region from which you are. So for me in Australia, I see these brand names, but for you, if you're in the US or you're in India, you will see different offers. From what I can find, PrizeRebel are available in a lot of countries, including Canada, Australia, India, Germany, Mexico, and the United Kingdom. So you should be able to get this in your country. If not, then just implement any of the other methods that I'm sharing in this video. So with PrizeRebel, you can sign up for an account. It's 100% free, and then you're going to earn points by completing short opinion surveys and different offers, and then you can redeem those points for PayPal Cash or for gift cards. So here are the types of gifts that you can get: PlayStation 5, a monitor, some Amazon gift cards. This website has been reviewed on Trustpilot, Server Police, SiteJabber, and Insider, so they are a legitimate website, so give it a try and I think you're going to like it. Next, I want to tell you about InboxDollars. This is one of the market leaders that pay for various things that people do online, for example, surveys and shopping activities, etc. And they're one of the most trusted websites that you can find. So inboxdollars.com, go ahead and sign up and you can earn cash for your everyday online activities. Here's all the different activities for which you can earn online cash. You can take paid online surveys, you can watch videos, you can get rewarded for playing computer games, you can get paid to read emails and cashback for online shopping. If you're already spending money online, it only makes sense to earn additional points for it, and then you can get them cashed out into your PayPal account. On Trustpilot, InboxDollars has got 4-star ratings from 30,000 reviews, so you can see that they are a very trustworthy company and it doesn't cost you anything to join, so highly recommended that you try them out. Do you want to now learn how to make passive online income? Well, in the next 2 weeks I will be releasing a ton more videos that will show you how to set up passive online income sources, so to make sure you don't miss out, click subscribe just below this video and smash the like button, and this way you will get notified as soon as I upload those next videos. After you've subscribed, and only after you've subscribed, make sure to watch this video over here, which is probably, in my opinion, the fastest way to start earning money online as a total beginner. So if you are keen to get stuck into it and start earning real money online, then watch this video. This is a full tutorial that will show you how to do that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.